Okay, taking a little time out to do another Ormus unboxing. Ooh, let's see what I got. Yeah, shut up. It's a gold bag. Boy, this would be good for a mojo bag or something. Nice. Starseed Ambassador, Arcturus Hurrah. Nice. Oh my god. Check that out. I'm going to put this on the back of my ID badge. Yes. We're going to do that. And I have 2 pens. And let's see. Very nice. Yes, another quartz crystal. I need those. Let's put that, charge it up. Hold on. Take a look at the thunder wheel. I have to make a video on the latest happenings in my healing path of syncretic thunder shamanism, heathenry, Hindu, Buddha type religion. So there we got it. Bam! And my Ormus. I'm going to take a sip of that right now. And I have my stickers for my badge. Absolutely. And my Palladian transmission pens. That is the code for the Palladian code. I'm wearing my Andromedan galactic symbols and matches my Fitbit watch. I was doing my kettlebell workout, but I think I'm going to stop now and take a sip of the Ormus and get ready for work. I'm working 3 to 9 tonight, so okay, peace out.